Permalinks are important tools that allow you to easily and reliably share or link to library resources. Why is this especially relevant now? Because our new Shared Library Services platform, part of a Pascal-wide migration, is going live June 1st. When the new Discovery service goes live on June 1st, any permalinks from the soon-to-be former Discovery service and the Classic catalog will no longer work. But don't panic. It will be easier than ever to get the permalinks you will need in the new Discovery service. Here's how it's done. When you find a record you want to share in your search results, you have two options for getting the permalink. You can use the permalink tool available directly from the list of results, or you can use the permalink tool from within a record. In both cases, after clicking the permalink icon, copy the link manually or by using the Copy the Permalink to Clipboard button. Now that you have the permalink copied, you can paste it into OAKs, into emails for your students and CFC colleagues, into your syllabus, or wherever else you need to get someone to a specific CFC library source. Please keep in mind that you will not be able to access the new Discovery service until June 1st, and you will have access to the departing Discovery service and Classic catalog until July 1st. To prepare, consider compiling a list of sources for which you are currently using permalinks. A table like the one shown here is an example of the information you may need. On June 1st, log into the new Discovery service to find the sources from your list and capture their permalinks. Just remember, you will only have access to the old library search tools until July 1st. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please contact your school's library liaison found in this link. For more general information on the library's new Shared Library Services platform, please visit the second link.